That's one. Looking crazy.
Hi loves, I just wanted to say thank you for all the support and comments you left for me last week for me to keep going in this series. It really helped and I really appreciate it. Before we start, I want to share this amazing piece of advice from Pamela Anderson at a private screening I attended last week for The Last Showgirl.
Oh well, it almost didn't get to me, which makes it even more precious and sweet when you do get it. It went to an old agent who turned it down within a few minutes. And so Gia knew that I hadn't read it, so found me, and I was on Vancouver Island in my garden making pickles and jam. And my son met with Gia. Gia found Brandon, who produced the documentary, and that's how she saw me. So she saw the documentary and thought that I should be her Shelley. So she was relentless, found me, and I remember the first Zoom call, just selling myself to her, going, I can really do this. And she goes, no, I know you can. That's why I've been looking for you and trying to get you. So it was just both of us just very excited. And then, I obviously read the script, and I could hear the voice in my head. I could see her already. And I just thought, wow, it's never too late.
Okay, you're proud of me? I remembered to do an intro for week 10 for the Rib Remodeling series. And today I'm wearing the Surgeon's small corset. I've been in the extra small, the pink leopard skin. I've been in that all week, but I'm just going in the small today. I just feel like I want something different. For this week, we're doing a little trip to Vegas for my boyfriend's best friend's birthday. I'll probably travel to Vegas with my Bombshell Bunny Fit corset for going out. I'm going to take the extra small Surgeon corset that I got from Amazon with me for nighttime and sleeping and getting ready. So we're leaving tomorrow. Today, I'm going to get my hair blonde again. It's been a year since I've done any highlight. I have to do a few highlights myself. A DIY project for work and some filming.
Mongal. A peaceful warrior, but my fist will do demolition. Ambition raw combined with a future vision. I train my heart to be pure with super intuition. Come for all is no cure to heal is my mission. Fly like a falcon, fly across the land and hit him with the fist of the Shaolin. Attack like a...
All of this is 1 year growth, so I'm really excited to get that done, especially because it's coming to New Year and Christmas celebrations. Also, I'm really excited for January, Lunar New Year, Chinese New Year, because I'm going back to Singapore. I haven't been 5-6 years. I came over to the US with like 2 suitcases, so I need to go over there, get some stuff, sort my life out over there. It's good to see family, it's good to go around Singapore, show my BF Asia. He's never been to Asia, so we're probably going to go to Bali and Thailand as well, hopefully. Depends on the time that we get to go over there. For right now, let's get out of here, let's go blonde. My roots we're working with. I just get the front top of the head done and a few little highlights on the sides, so when I tie it up in a ponytail it all looks like it's done and then it's less damage. So I have like 2/3 of my head is just natural dark hair and the blonde is there and a few stripes. Using my new camera, hope you like it. It's gonna level up my vlogging. Alright, take 2. I just filmed a whole sequence with my new camera, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and it wasn't tracking my face, so I have to do this all again. Today is Thursday, but I have a flight in about 3 hours. I'm in a onesie right now because I've applied a layer of self-tan. Bondi Beach is what I use because we're going out for dinner tonight, then we're going out tomorrow night to a concert and then dinner. We're going to Vegas and it's going to be a lot of glam nights and a lot of like rushing around, so a little bit of tan kind of makes me feel a bit more together. Don't look at the hair or the nails. I'm in the middle of packing and I want to show you. We're already going for 2 nights. I was requested to only bring a carry-on, so that's my makeup bag. I downsized the makeup bag to this size, which is good for me. Hey, we're going out in Vegas, what can I say? I've got to try to make some effort in some way. I've tried to find an outfit that I could wear the same shoes. So I grabbed these ankle boots, which are super comfy because we're going to a concert in the Sphere. It's going to be a lot of walking, so these shoes do me very well. They're just Zara basic patent leather boots that I had to Sharpie. I had some white marks on their black heels, so I just went over them with a black Sharpie. I did a Pretty Woman special. This is my toiletry bag that I'm bringing. It's got all my toiletries, face, everything in it. This is my makeup bag. Now that is just on toiletries and looks. It takes up half of my case, I know. There's my supplements, my BCAAs, my magnesium for my IBS. I'm going to wear the sequenced high neck dress tonight for dinner. So I just cut off the shoulder pads because I already have wide shoulders. We don't need to look like a linebacker in a mini skirt, so I'm going to cut this one off. Give me a second. Okay. One dress ready. That's one outfit. Let's put this away. And then tomorrow night we go to watch the Eagles in the Sphere. I'm going to wear rubber pants, polo jumper with a bra, and then the corset. Somehow I'm going to have to wear the corset, and you can see a bit of the corset because the polo top is backless. It's the best top that goes with those pants. It's a corset night and the world's going to see my corset. But thankfully, Fit Bunny do a bloody lovely corset, so I'm not too fussed. Now that my tan is probably buffed with this onesie, take this off, put all my corset on and my material for my stomach, get changed to my airport outfit, and I'll be back. Oh my god. Is this the third time I've come to Vegas in like 2 months?
Who complains about coming to Vegas?
Me. Do we have a tub? Yes, we have a tub. Good times. Okay. Nice shower for him. Tub for me. Oh yeah, it's a bigger room. It's actually quite nice. Alright. Another stint in Vegas. We were here like 2 weeks ago. Can we see anything? This is the airport outfit, so my Uggs. My little hoodie combo, the pink hoodie combo. We have 20 minutes to get ready. I put my hair in a light, like loose kind of plait, messy thing, so I might wear my hair down tonight because I got it blonde yesterday, so I might wear my hair down first time. And this is what we're working with. Oh my god. Are you serious? Let's get ready. At least the light's good. Yeah, this is my part of the shower. And you can go by the toilet, and then mine can be by the bath and by the makeup mirror. But really, it's just you by the toilet.
I'm so privileged.
That's your side of the bathroom. Okay, let's go. This is the look for the night, can you see? I have the Ugg coat on, it's going to be an Old Faithful. I can tell already this season. I am showing a lot of leg, hence why I'm wearing the coat. And my Chloe bag. I didn't have a nice black bag. This is possibly my dream car, a Rhino. How cool is this beast? Damn. The apocalypse is coming. This is my ride. I promised you I won't fall short. Spending time and money on you just so we bond more. And I heard it's all world, baby, I'm all yours. Ain't no please doing through pleasures of all sorts. Trust me, you still the shit for Santa Monica Airport's flea market. Got this coat. I love this. My boyfriend does not, but I do. It's like an 80s silver, cool kind of top. Pair of Daisy Dukes and like some cool boots on in the summer. Very Ibiza. Very Malibu. And what else did we get, Tonka? We got this girl's beautiful kimono. It's like phoenixes on it. Gorgeous. We got that $25. And I bargained it down. I'm going to make that into a top or dress. And I got this beautiful kimono belt. So, how gorgeous is that? And I'll show you what else I got in the car. And then the last thing I got, which I jumped off earlier, I got that for $10. How cool is that? A muddy cat. Put that in my office, make some money, attract some money. My favorite, spicy seafood soup at Nova.
I'm coming in you. My spirit lift when you coming home. Don't you know, girl, you're cold.
Total blackout on Malibu.
Yeah, I only have 30%.
So we have candles going. We have one torch. The electric's been out since last night, and I've just heard that it might not come on until tomorrow night. That's 2 full days. Oh my god.